Welcome back to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this ombre candle holder set Upcycle. I found this candle holder set for $5, but it was actually marked down to $1.50. And then we're going to use paint and rhinestones. Very, very little supplies, and it's going to create such an amazing outcome for our piece. So I'm doing the ombre effect. So our main color is going to be this teal color. The teal color did take 3 coats, so you're going to see me go through the process of doing 3 coats. You're going to want to make sure this is very dry in between each coat. I used a heat gun to dry, but if you want to let it sit and dry for an hour or so, that is perfectly fine. This is a plastic material and not wood, so chalk paint is going to be the best so that it adheres well. For the second one, I just added some white paint to make a more muted color of the teal. So now we have kind of an aqua color. And again, we're going to do the same thing. And this one actually only took 2 coats. When you mix white paint with another color, it just has better coverage. So that's why this one only took 2 coats. You are going to be able to see the top when you have your glass votive holders on there. So I did have to go back and paint those. For the last one, I added some more white paint and made a really soft minty color, and this is just going to create the ombre effect when it is displayed on your mantle, your entryway. Maybe you're going to put it in a bathroom, wherever you have it, it's going to be so adorable. This last one actually only took 1 coat. So the first one took 3 coats, second one 2 coats, and the last one 1 coat. That just kind of tells you how the white gives better coverage. I took a fan brush, and you can tell I dipped it very lightly in my paint, and I am just adding it on, and it gives it kind of a very unique distressed look. So next up, I thought these needed to be jazzed up a little bit more, and I am a glammy girl and I love my rhinestones and all things glittery. So I just took the rhinestones that are on an adhesive strip and just stuck them to the middle, the top, and the bottom on each one of my pieces. And this really kicked it up a notch. It's absolutely beautiful. I also put some randomly on our votive, and like I said, these are on an adhesive strip, and so they fit perfectly and stick very well. If you can't find any on an adhesive strip, you can use rhinestones and just hot glue them on just like I am. This project was so cheap since I found these for $1.50, and there is such a wow factor to them that I absolutely love. If you love this DIY and want to learn more about budget home decorating, please visit theruffleddaisy.org.